Hi, welcome to 2N. My name is Atman Benzgir. I'm the EMEA Sales Director at 2N. We are here at the ISE show in Barcelona 2025, and we have the pleasure to present and showcase our solutions for commercial and residential. And here I can share with you our flagship IP style with customizable GUI and screen. And it's got antibacterial screen, and you can see here multiple options with the reception, directory, QR code, multi-technology reader, high-resolution camera, QR code, and some of the latest features that we've added recently, also the Bluetooth technology. And you can see here the directory, and you can also list the companies. And finally, if you want to have more information and find more resources, you can visit our website, www.2n.com.